Welcome. In this module, we're going to take a look at CIS control number 18, Application Software Security, and this is the first in the series of modules for Application Software Security. Now, this is the layout for the CIS controls version 7, and we're talking about Application Software Security, which is control number 18, and this is part of the organizational security controls. And this is a system entity relationship diagram. We have secure coding standards, we have education plans and training plans, we have code analysis systems, we have web application firewalls, all applied on the computing systems. Now, 18.5 tells us use only standardized and extensively reviewed encryption algorithms. And for this, we use, when we use only standardized and extensively reviewed encryption algorithms, we're going to make sure that hackers cannot penetrate our systems or our encryption because we are using encryption protocols which are already compromised. 18.6, ensure software development personnel are trained in secure coding. So ensure that all software development personnel receive training in writing secure code for their specific development environment and responsibilities. So usually what happens is that software is developed and it is developed very fast, and nowadays we have agile environments and the security is overlooked. So security for the software needs to be embedded in the SDLC itself. 18.7, we need to apply static and dynamic code analysis tools. Now, these static and dynamic code analysis tools, these are test tools that are available, and these are automated test tools that are manufactured both in open source, they are available, and they're also available in the form of commercial software. So you need to apply the static and dynamic code analysis tools during the SDLC process to make sure that we have detected the security flaws in the code itself. And 18.8, establish a process to accept and address reports of software vulnerabilities. So you need to establish a process to accept and address reports of software vulnerabilities, including providing a means for external entities to contact your security group. And this is part of a mechanism to ensure that the overall security program receives feedback so that if there are any flaws, then they are corrected. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.